at Livorno. It's hot. Gosh, it's hot. Excursions that way. Here's the bus. So that's a free shuttle bus to the town centre, to the main square. Cannot walk out of this port. Get your ticket in front of the bus. So we're off in the main square. Tourist information right. Bus tickets, the little cubicle on the left, or the shop behind that bus on the right. If you want to get the bus to the train station, walk straight in front, turn right, end of the road, turn left. Bus stops outside H&M. The newsstand in the corner has got these tickets hanging up at the back, £1.50 each way. Get your outward and your return, separate tickets. And for a child under 1 metre you don't pay. 1 metre's high. Find the cathedral. We've just got to cross this main road and then find the bus stop, which I think is just over there. So we've just come off the square and we think the bus stop's here. So we're off. We caught the red route bus. We should really have caught the blue. The blue's just shorter stop to railway station, but we've got here. They both go here. So we're in the station, just at the ticket office. We're going to buy a ticket to the Spezia and then buy the local tickets. Just figuring out which one we want.
That's okay. Wait.
So you can get your tickets from the machine. You have to put all your details in to allow the time. Run! Run! So we've got our train tickets. We have paid for a child, but you might not have to for somebody under 14, but it is half price. But press the green button and get on the train and you have seat numbers. When we're on, and it's oh, it's a proper train, and it's air-conned. Feels really cool. Yeah, you got a USB?
Yeah,
something?
I've not bought mine.
Fold out table.
There we go, that's so
very posh.
in his page, yours is the one that's...
Buongiorno, Cinque Terre.
Monte Rosso, so we can get on a boat. We've arrived on a train, we're going to get on a boat tour so that we can see the Cinque Terre from the water.
So when you come to the Cinque Terre, it's always like this. Very, very busy. So be prepared, stay calm, and just enjoy. So Riomaggiore this side. Train station, then we go to the different line, don't we? So now we've got the boat. We're not buying the day pass, we're just buying individual tickets. We're going to go to the second village, then we're going back to the Spezia. So we're going to buy 2 tickets. Same, please. Yes, please.
Yeah.
So Manarola, 4 tickets, €5 each. Children under 4 are free. Manarola has no direct train to Livorno. We've got to go to La Spezia, go to the ticket office and buy a ticket there for either a fast train or a local train. Ticket office now.
Attention please. For easier boarding,
So we've got a train towards Florence, change at Pisa to get to Livorno.
Boarding the train.
Connection to Livorno, then we've got to get a bus to get the free bus to get back. A lot of people waiting to get back to the cruise ship. Right, we need the bus. There's one bus. There's the bus. There's a red one. Press the button if you want to get off at the next stop. Right, and there's the shuttle bus. Doors open. Hopefully we can get it before it drives off. Back where we started. And we're back to the ship.